deh Haura, mau unboxing apa?
Mau unboxing LOL.
Coba mama lihat. LOL apa sih ini?
LOL yang boxnya besar.
Boxnya besar ya? Coba kita
Iya.
lihat. Ini nih teman-teman. Ini LOL apa ya? LOL Furniture Meubles deh ya. Oke, ayo kita buka.
Oke. Oh, it's so strong. Oh, what's doing this? How are you doing that? Okay, whatever. Go. Oh, I already opened it. Oh God, I already opened it. What? What? Oh wait. Be patient. Patience. Okay. Sticking. Yeah. Oh, try this out. Oh, this is my. There's a lot. There's a lot of surprise. Whoa. Whoa.
Don't open me. Don't
What,
open
this-
it yet.
Oh my God. There's so much. What is this? It's so. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, this is. I think this is so cool.
Yeah.
Everything. There's so much surprises.
This is.
Okay,
I know it's supposed to be like this.
give me some.
Sekarang coba kita hitung ada berapa pieces sih di dalam
Okay,
boxnya.
okay,
Kita hitung
go
dulu ya.
do it from here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
We can put that inside.
Oh, jadi ada 12 pieces ya? Ada 12
I think this is the
pieces.
LOL.
Yeah, it is the
But first, let's open the LOL first.
Wait,
But do we need scissors? No.
come on. This one is our mine.
These ones are mine.
Yeah.
Okay, open it.
Oke, yang mana dulu kita buka? Yang
I
ini
can't
ya?
open it.
Okay, let me try.
No, then it's mine.
Yeah, but I just want to help you.
Oke, kita buka nih.
I don't. How do I open it? Okay.
Let's close it.
Wait, I think I know. Yeah.
It's not the LOL, but
Wait, it's furniture.
wait, you know what? I think this is the LOL.
So, what is this?
Furniture.
Yeah.
Ini furniture-nya.
Wait, let me see them.
Oke, kita lihat ya.
Wait, let me show it to mommy.
And there's lockers.
Hey,
There's lockers.
hey.
Mm.
So there's some books to put some makeup.
Seperti ini, ini bisa dibuka seperti ini ya.
There's
Kayak ada
how much are there? Let me
bawahnya
see.
ya.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Hey, what is
7,
this?
7, 8, 9,
It
10,
says
11,
pull.
12.
It says pull.
Did it say full? Oh yeah, it says full.
So
You
we
see
have
that, guys?
make
It says full. And his drawing. It's a mirror. Look. Look. And you can see you.
Now it's time to open one of yours surprises. Come on, it's your turn.
Oke.
I wonder what
Okay.
What do you want to open?
I want to open the big one first because I'm. This one's so good. Okay. Where's the lid?
Mama, kasi ito na You got the chair.
Is this chair? Yeah, it is a chair. Look, guys. It's a chair.
I think it's the LOL doll. I'm just gonna open this one last. So I'm gonna open
Yeah,
this
it's a chair.
one.
Okay, that's me.
I got the outfit.
You got an outfit. Look.
It's so sparkly.
Yeah, it is so sparkly.
Sparkly.
Me again, because you already opened yours.
These are mine.
Oh, there's no more big ones. I just opened. You can open. Try opening this one.
Okay. Oh, the bottle.
Okay, now me 2 times. Because you did it also 2 times.
I can't wait to
And
open
then,
it.
what you got?
Oh, that's where to put the makeup.
Okay, well, I have one more time. Okay. What is inside?
Oh, please. Is it?
It's actually.
Apa itu? Coba
It's
tunjukin ke
makeup.
Mami.
Is it? Whatever. Wait, I think where is it?
I got lipstick. Wait, is this?
I got it. I got it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
I get it. I get it.
itu apa?
Itu what?
Mikrofon. Oh.
God. I don't know, but okay. Let's open mine again. Wait. Okay. The
open
LOL is
the
the last one. Yeah, there's
Yeah.
something. Okay, there's something in here.
What is this?
What you got?
Oh, it's makeup. Oh.
Put more there.
I'm gonna put it here.
What is inside?
There's something.
Oh, there's something. What is? Oopsies. There's boots.
Boot? A boot?
What even is this? Try looking, guys. What is that?
Wait,
I think it's from.
it's a bracelet, I think.
Oh, I think it is bracelet.
I think it is.
Okay, come on. Let's just open everything and then we'll just see.
Now where's the other bracelet?
Oh, what is it? Okay, I'm gonna open it. Oh, I found boots. Finally, boots.
You got the boot.
Look at that. It's pink and white.
Now let's last. I'm gonna help you open this one.
Behind me.
Let's see which one will you get for your last one. What did you got? What is this? There's something here. It's so small.
Put it in here. Oh, it doesn't go anywhere.
Let's go in a lipstick.
Is that?
Yeah.
No, put it back. Put it here.
No.
Oh my god.
That's only for makeup. So this is for the lipstick. No.
Okay, sorry guys. I knocked everything down.
Yeah, means this one is the LOL.
What's this? I don't know, but I'm just gonna put it.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, I think these have to go. They're small.
Yeah, she is.
This one can go there. Okay. Wait, let me see that. Oh, boots. Cool boots. He doesn't have his shirt. Where's shirt?
Here. Let's put her clothes on. I'm gonna put her.
I'm gonna put shirt. How do I get it out?
Let me help you.
Okay. How did you? Okay, I think the back is openable. You see? Okay.
By the way, don't throw this. This is for putting the clothes back.
Let's get it.
Come on, just put it on
You can
her.
open it.
Just put it on her already. Quick.
How do I?
Whatever. You just put this one.
I think I got it, guys. No,
Let me do the other one. Let me try.
Don't break it, also, because it's our newest one. You got it?
Yes! Now it's my turn to put it on. Okay.
Let me see how it looks like. You see? It looks like this.
Now it's time for the skirt.
Yeah,
Which way is
it
it?
looks like this. It's like this. No, it's like this. Where's his pants?
This is
Okay. Let me see. And his boots. His boots.
okay. It's almost. It's so hard.
You can do it. You can do it. You did?
I did it.
Okay, let me put on the boots. Okay, the boots.
Just put it over here and then she will hop onto it. Look, just put it over here. Just put it here.
No, I want to do it.
Why? Let me just do this one. Okay.
How are you doing that? Wait, I'm just. I'm putting on you. How? Okay, this bounced on there.
After that, we can.
Yeah, we got boots
Now?
We got the full set.
Yeah.
See that, guys? Yeah.
Now the background can.
And yeah.
Kalau ini apanya? Backdropnya.
Iya, tapi.
Like this. Is this like this?
Oh.
Everybody, look at this set of toys. Okay, make sure to not make it fall. Okay.
Oh.
What fell? Okay.
There.
I'll just turn this wall. I hope he doesn't
Hey.
fall.
Me.
Hey, let's just do this first.
Wait, we'll just go somewhere else and then. We'll put her. How's she supposed to bang? I said bang. Okay.
Today. Yay, we did it. We got everything on the set.
Yep.
And there's chairs. I mean, only one.
Yeah, it's just.
And there's a couch over here.
Yeah, then you
And
can sit
why is
on.
there a Ferris wheel right next to it? I think it's very far away.
Nah, sudah jadi ya teman-teman. Ini dia mainannya LOL Furniture Meubles. Nih, begini tampilannya. Dan teman-teman bisa mendapatkan mainannya di
Shopee.
klik linknya di bawah ya. Jangan lupa, kita belinya di